Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best nail fungus treatment is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for those struggling with unsightly and uncomfortable toenail fungus. This common fungal infection, known as onychomycosis, can cause discoloration, thickening, and even crumbling of the nails, significantly impacting self-esteem and daily life. But fear not, because in this video, we'll delve into the top-rated treatments available, exploring their effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value to help you find the perfect solution to banish that stubborn nail fungus once and for all. Number 5. Foot Cure Toenail Treatment. It's a powerful, effective treatment for damaged nails. This formula strengthens and promotes healthy nail growth, helping you regain confidence in your feet. This product is made in the USA with a unique blend of natural ingredients. It's designed to tackle various nail fungus issues. It features a natural blend of 25% undicyclinic acid, oregano, and tea tree oil. These oils work together to nourish and repair your nails. No more hiding your feet. This treatment helps you get rid of embarrassing nail problems, so you can wear open-toed shoes with confidence. It helps relieve itching, burning, cracking, and scaling. You can expect to see results in as little as 8 weeks. Simply soak your nails in warm water, then apply 2 to 3 drops of the solution. It's that easy to get healthy, beautiful nails again. What we like. It's a powerful formula with a natural blend of oils. If you want effective treatment that's also gentle, this is a great option. This is perfect for those seeking a convenient and effective solution for nail fungus. What people say. I began using this product about 2 weeks ago and I created a regimen of my own to be as consistent as possible with each application. The product goes on pretty thick and almost looks like very high-grade and light machine oil. I never felt any tingling or burning from my nails or skin around the nails. I am now 2 weeks into using the product and it looks like it may actually be doing what they claim. The exposed nail bed surfaces seem to have become harder and do not show any yellow fungus. Number 4. Kerasal Nighttime Patches. Suffering from fungal nail damage? These patches offer overnight repair, restoring your nails' healthy appearance while you sleep. It's the first and only treatment that works while you sleep, from the number 1 doctor-recommended brand. It's clinically proven to improve the look of damaged nails. The patches deeply penetrate, moisturize, and exfoliate to reduce discoloration, normalize thickness, and smooth the nail surface. Watch your nails transform. Unlike other treatments, these patches are specifically designed to improve the appearance of your nails. They're the solution you've been waiting for. Easy to apply and stay in place all night long, providing continuous 6 to 8 hours of nail care. The hygienic design ensures a comfortable experience. For best results, apply before bedtime for 3 to 6 months. But they can also be used during the day if needed. Always refer to the packaging for complete instructions. What we like. These patches work while you sleep for a truly convenient treatment. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to improve the appearance of your nails, consider these. They are ideal for those who want to treat their nails without disrupting their daily routine. What people say. You can actually see the delineation between the infected part of the nail and the new healthy growth. I'm so impressed with this product. I love how easy it is to use, ensures the right dosage, and it isn't messy. I'm impressed. It has only been a month but I see amazing improvement. I saw healthy changes after the first week. It takes about 3 months, or longer, for a full new nail to grow, so I'll update in a few months. Easy to apply for nighttime wear or daytime with closed shoes. These pads stay on for an extended period of time. I found them easy to use and extended the treatment. Number 3. Nail Fungus Cleaning Light. Say goodbye to unsightly nails. This innovative device uses safe, effective blue light therapy to improve the appearance of your nails. It gently warms the nail plate, creating thermal damage that helps clear the infection. This process is comfortable and easy to use at home. For best results, use it for 7 minutes, twice daily. Consistency is key. It takes time for new, healthy nail growth to appear. It's designed for long-term use, helping to restore nail health and improve symptoms like deformation and pain. You'll see significant improvement over time. Keep your nails trimmed short and clean. Remember to sterilize your clippers before each use for optimal hygiene. Make sure it's fully charged for at least 90 minutes before your first treatment. This ensures you get the most out of each session. Restoring nail health takes time and dedication. Be patient and consistent with your treatment plan for best results. This device is eligible for reimbursement through FSA or HSA plans, making it an affordable solution for nail fungus. What we like. This innovative device uses blue light therapy for a unique approach to nail fungus treatment. If you prefer a non-traditional method and want to save money, this is a good choice. It's perfect for those who want to treat their nails at home and are eligible for FSA/HSA reimbursement. What people say. This product was made to last. I use this twice a day on all my toes. I do believe it does works, but takes some time to see results. This is not a quick fix, I'm still using it. I did have one nail that came off and now returning in a healthy growth. I believe it's been about 8 months since I started. I also can see my nails are not as thick since using it. I ordered the device and received it quickly. They're easy to use, but they can make you feel a little tight when you first receive them. As time went by, they became comfortable. Apply every 7 minutes on each toe. I did it while watching TV and the time passed quickly. I did see an improvement, and I hope it will continue to eliminate this nasty fungus. It just takes time. I would buy it again and I highly recommend this product. I was skeptical when I bought it 3 months ago, but I've been impressed with the results. I've had fungus under my big toenails for years and treated with various creams and salves. This device is the only treatment that has noticeably improved my condition. After about a month, I could see that the fungus was dying and my nails began to clear up. I think I'll have to wait until the nails are completely new to clear out the dead fungus, but I'm very pleased with the performance and glad I purchased it. It's easy to recharge and the battery lasts for about a week. You may feel some pinching depending on your toe size shape, but nothing significant. Number 2. Nail Fungus Light. Say goodbye to embarrassing nail fungus. This innovative device offers a highly effective, at-home treatment option with minimal side effects. It uses blue light to penetrate deep into the nail bed, gently warming the affected area to the optimal temperature for treatment. It's precise and effective. This device is eligible for reimbursement through FSA or HSA plans, making it a more affordable option for many. It's simple to use, making it perfect for busy individuals, the elderly, or anyone who prefers a pain-free treatment method. In clinical trials, 95.26% of users reported significant improvement after 3 to 6 months of consistent use. Early treatment leads to faster recovery. Don't let nail fungus control your life. It requires commitment, but this device can help you regain confidence in healthy nails. What we like. This blue light therapy device is highly effective and suitable for a wide range of people. If you're looking for a fast and effective treatment with minimal side effects, this is a great option. It's perfect for busy individuals, those who are pain-averse, and the elderly. What people say. It is simple to handle and store the gadget when it is not in use since it is both lightweight and small. It did not take long to comprehend how to make appropriate use of it since the directions were easy to follow. The gadget is essentially placed over the toenail that is afflicted, the device is turned on, and the blue light is allowed to do its job. Considering how busy life can become, the sessions are just a few minutes long, which makes it easy for me to include them into my daily schedule. It is absolutely painless to get the light therapy, and the device is designed to fit securely over the toe region. Had painful toenail and after just a week of using thus twice a day the pain and discoloration was gone. Long charge life and easy to use. I purchased this nail fungus laser treatment device about a month ago and have only recently begun to use it consistently. So far, the results are promising. The device conveniently powers on and off automatically, making the treatment process hassle-free. During use, I experience a slight tingling and warm sensation, which is quite manageable and indicates that the device is actively working. The treatment process couldn't be simpler, just place the clamp over your toenail and let the device run until the timer automatically shuts it off. I've been trying to get rid of a small splotch on my toenail, and this device is the first treatment I've tried. I'm pleased to notice that the splotch is starting to lighten, which is a significant improvement. Number 1. Dr. Luke's Toenail Revitalizer. Is discoloration, thinning, or splitting affecting your toenails? It's time to revitalize them and restore their healthy look. This product is your solution. This isn't just a cosmetic treatment, it actively helps promote the growth of new, healthy-looking nails. You'll see a visible difference. Simply soften your nails with warm water, smooth them with a file, and apply the liquid using the convenient brush applicator. It's that easy. Whether you're a swimmer, hiker, or fitness enthusiast, it's perfect for those with nails frequently exposed to moisture. Keep them healthy and strong. This trusted formula has been a favorite for over 30 years. Made with carefully selected plant extracts, it's a testament to its effectiveness and customer satisfaction. Say goodbye to unsightly toenails and hello to renewed confidence. Start your journey to healthier-looking nails today. What we like. This Revitalizer helps improve the appearance of damaged nails with an easy application process. If you want a simple yet effective solution with a trusted formula, this is for you. It's ideal for active individuals who frequently expose their nails to moisture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.